Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and if you could tell by the title, it says thank you Roblox, and the reason for that is because a couple of videos back, like a month and a few days ago, I was hacked. My account was compromised and my items were stolen. My Robux was taken as well, and a month later I have finally got my items back after being in contact with Roblox support for the entire process. So yeah, I wanted to thank Roblox for getting me my items back. I guess I could end the video here, but I feel like, well, it's been a minute, that's way too short, so I guess today, or for the remainder of this video, I'm gonna go over my items so you guys can check out what I have in my inventory. There is nothing special here, so do not have your expectations too high. I don't have anything special at all. But yeah, anyways, let's start with my recently used items, I guess. So, initial necklace, floating crown of Dawn, dark floating crown, green nightmare, gold chain, and the Dominus, which I have gone back. So all my limited items were hacked and taken, and now they have returned to my inventory. Big head, black iron antlers, inkwell egg from an egg hunt, I forgot which year, but story sleeping cap, outrageous builders club. I had this before. It was a long time ago. You know what's crazy is that some of you guys joined Roblox after Builders Club, so some of you guys may not know what Builders Club even is. Snow leopard, fedora, lime glasses, yellow sleep owl, tentacles junior, egg timer, TH monogram backpack. And I'm using the superhero package thing. My t-shirt here. I don't have any interesting hats or accessories. Just gonna head. Yeah, this is all boring stuff. Accessories to the face, I don't know much here either. Neck and shoulders, not much here. A bunch of initial necklaces. But yeah, I think that will do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, thank you to Roblox. They were very helpful in helping me get my items back. Yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more stuff on this channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.